Hello, my name is Cecilia Cooper, and I am with A&A Cleaning Services. A&A Cleaning Services has been in business for over 20 years. We clean commercial and residential locales that include medical clinics, industrial offices, city offices, and even animal shelters. On the residential side, we clean a variety of homes with schedules that you can choose from, including weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. In addition, we do commercial floor care and carpet cleaning for both commercial and residential areas. We are also very proud of the fact that in today's worldwide pandemic, we have been able to disinfect offices and homes with our special germicide fogger that kills bacteria, viruses, and other infectious elements. With all of our service, as always, we provide a free estimate so you can feel confident in your choice. Because as our slogan states, one call cleans it all. So call us today at 281-489-8614 and let us do the cleaning so you can do the living.